Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Gola. Today's date is 5th July 2022 and today's our topic is Java array. Array in a Java. First of all, array means it is a collection of a data, and normally an array is a collection of a similar types of elements which has a contiguous memory location. And Java array is an object which contains elements of a similar data types. Additionally, the elements of an array are stored in a contiguous memory location. It is a data structure where we store similar elements, and we can store only a fixed set of elements in a Java array, and we can store multiple elements or data in the array, in which an array in Java, the index based the first element of the array at the zeroth position, zeroth index, and the second element is stored on the first index of, and so on, and the position of the elements are stored in serially in we can count the elements by the 1 to 0, 1 to so many, and whenever we count with the index, it will start from 0 only. And the advertisement in which C++ we can get the length of the array using length member. In CPP we need to use the size of operator, and in Java the array is an object of a dynamically generated class. Java array inherits the object class, and it implements the serializable as well as the clonable interface, and we can store the primitive values or object in array in Java, and we can also create a single dimensional or a multi-dimensional array also in a Java. And moreover, Java provides features of anonymous array in which which is not available in C++. And in array there is some advantages in which code optimization, it makes the code optimized, and we can retrieve or sort the data efficiently. Random access, we can get any data or allocated at the index of the position. And disadvantages of the array in which size limit, we can store only the fixed size of the elements in the array. Whatever we are giving the size to the element of the array, that much only we can save the elements of the, we can store the elements in that, and it does not grow its size or the runtime. To solve this problem, collection framework is used in Java, and which grow automatically. And there is some types of the array in Java in which single dimensional array and multi-dimensional. It always index begin from 0, and its collection is a similar data types, and it occupies a contiguous memory location, and it allows to access the memory elements randomly. This is all about the information about array in Java. Thank you.